Your investments are worth a lot less right now than they were when you woke up this morning.
That's right. The Dow Jones Industrials average had the worst sell-off in almost 3 years. Certified public accountant Crystal Faulkner is live in our newsroom now with some free advice on what to do now. Crystal, thanks for joining us. What caused today's big sell-off?
Well, Brendan, people are afraid. Investors are concerned about the fundamentals of the economy. And now that the debt crisis is over, at least for the time being, they're focusing on the economy. And as I mentioned, they're afraid. They're concerned about the European debt problems hurting the overall world. They're concerned about other indicators such as jobs. Employment remains high. You know, the employment report comes out tomorrow, and I think a lot of people are anticipating what that news is going to be like and keeping their fingers crossed.
There was a lot of confusion when they declared the recession over a few years ago. In fact, it just meant that the economy had stopped receding. It didn't mean that we were out of feeling like we were in a recession. Does this mean we're going back toward a recession, Crystal?
Well, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're headed for a recession, but I think many people are concerned that we're moving in that direction. Because if you think about it, people that have lost their jobs or are afraid of losing their jobs, or even those that are underemployed, it still feels like a recession to them.
And what should people do right now? Crystal, a lot of people panic in a situation like this. What should they do?
Well, the first thing is to realize the sky is not falling. However, this should be a wake-up call for people to take a hard look at their investments and their allocations. Investors should have a portfolio that corresponds with their overall financial plan, and depending on where you are in your life. So make sure you talk to a financial advisor, and if you don't have one and you don't feel like you have the ability to do this on your own, go out and find somebody that can help you take stock of where you are today so you can make the right decisions.
All right, Crystal Faulkner, thanks so much. And if you've got a specific question about your investments at home, Crystal will answer it for you. She'll answer those questions during a live web chat tonight at 6:30 on WCPO.com.